Hey. No. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Today is the day where I'm working and I have a lot of visitors today. Ooh. Catching up, and we are heading to the market. Or am I going to the market or you're going to the market?
Can we go together?
Okay.
If you have time.
I don't think I have time, but you know, they say we're in Mexico, do as the Mexicans do.
I like this.
So, two of my friends are here. One came by the house, the other one I was supposed to meet at a vegan restaurant, and I'm late. And
But it doesn't matter because it was closed anyway.
exactly. And no, Elena wants to go to the market, and I said to her that I'm gonna take you to a vegan restaurant, but I'm gonna take her to the market first, and both of them are gonna meet my people. Oh my goodness.
¿Cómo está la uva?
Tiene que estar así de así, no cabecita, no, el zapote negro. Puede ser el de llave, no, ninguno. Es que vendimos ya los maduros que había. Sí.
Órale.
Órale, Teresa. Granada china, es dulce por dentro, como la maracuyá, es su hermana, pero acidita, dulce, llega rápido, la puedes probar, ¿eh?
Gracias.
Chao. 70 el kilo. Sí.
¿Y ese goyazo está?
Sí, también la puedes ver.
Hola, señora.
Hola, Tere.
Ella es mi tocaya, señora
No.
Tere.
No, yo no.
Leo.
Yo soy Leo.
Leo.
Tere.
Tere, órale, señora Leo de otras.
Sí, así el kilo. Ahorita está caro. 100 el kilo.
¿Puede pasar?
Andaba buscando por aquí un ajo, pero no tiene pancita.
¿Qué quieres?
Un ajo. Acá está.
¿Qué quieres, señora Ajo?
Gracias.
Adios. Wait, my other friend is gone, and so now we are going to a vegan restaurant because everybody around me has special diets. Oh my goodness. So we went to a vegan spot, another vegan spot, and it was closed. Lo siento. So on Mondays in Mexico, there are some stores, some cafes, some restaurants that are not open. And on Tuesdays also there are some restaurants and cafes that are not open. So we're going back to the market to get seafood. Hopefully she can get something to eat that she likes and enjoy. So I'm gonna take her to a spot that I know of, and I hope she enjoys.
I will enjoy it because Teresa knows good food, so I'm trusting her.
Ooh, that's a lot of pressure, darling. That's a lot of pressure. So our last resort for food was in the market, and we're having empanada de camarón, the vegan empanada de camarón. Did you hear what I said? Vegan empanada de camarón.
Vegetarian.
Es picante, más picante.
Una milanesa y un salpicón.
He's like, he's happy. ¿Le gusta? ¿Es rica? We had lunch at the Pescadita, and now she's going for juice. Hola. Going to the juice at the juice spot. Aquí is so.
Oh yeah, right there.
Sí, ¿qué quieres? ¿Qué quieres?
Yeah, I got me mixed drink.
So we go down to the end for the juice. And he's gonna make your drink. Fresh pineapple. That is your piña con toronja. ¿Le gusta?
Gracias.
Provecho. I love that place, but there are other nicer places. I think it's kind of overrated, in my opinion.
What place is nicer than Bosque de Tequila?
Cállate. There's so many places. Yeah. Don't tell anyone I said that though. Yeah. I'm happy you're enjoying it.
Sugar.
Exactly. And when I make my juice, the machine that they use, I use a smaller one. Yeah. This one. So that's the thing with it. It doesn't strain, so I use a strainer to strain it further.
Oh yeah.
Unless I'm making like a smoothie, then I don't use a strainer. But when I do juice,
It's so good.
I am happy you're enjoying it so much. A lovely day. Friends coming by, we eating. Now we're gonna take a walk in the park with the doggies. Well, just one. It was a great day, a beautiful day. Every day is always a good day. Some better than others, but overall it's always a good day. So the dog was in the park. We went to the park. Now I'm heading back home. And of course I'm gonna say, remember to stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.